Hello, guys. Welcome to Cheenta School of Statistics and Data Science. We are a team of extremely passionate teachers, researchers, and statisticians from the top universities of India and USA. Our mission is to help you curve your career in statistics, data science, and machine learning. How do we do that? Number one, we help you build your foundations. We achieve that by making an optimized plan for your learning journey. Number two, we help you prepare and ace your entrance examinations in statistics and data science, like IIT JAM MS, ISI MStat, and CMI MSC Data Science. Number three, we give our absolute best to help you design your career by organizing workshops and certified data science courses. To book a trial class for your preparation courses of IIT MS, ISIM Stat, and CMI MS Data Science, check out the first link in the description below. If you're enjoying the video, show some love by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. We welcome you again to this passionate community of budding statisticians and data scientists. Let's enjoy the rest of the video. Stay tuned and stay blessed.
Today we are going to solve this problem from CMI Data Science 2022, problem number 6. So let's start with problem number 6. So this problem says a matrix C is said to be symmetric if C transpose is equals to C. Which of the following is or are true? Let A and B be n cross n matrices. So there are four options. We have to check which of them are true and false. And yeah. So the first one says if A is symmetric and invertible, then A inverse is also symmetric and invertible. So let's check that. So A is symmetric, that means A is equals to A transpose, right? And A inverse exists because it is said that A is invertible. So A inverse exists. So these are the information given. So therefore A inverse into A is equals to I, right? The identity matrix. Therefore A is the inverse of A inverse, right? A itself is the inverse of A inverse. That means A inverse is equals to A. That means A inverse is invertible, right? And about the transpose, see the transpose of the inverse is actually nothing but the inverse of the transpose, right? So it is actually again A transpose is A, so it ultimately it is A inverse, right? So A inverse is symmetric. Therefore, option A is true. Okay, option A is true. What about option B? If A and B are symmetric, then C is equals to AB is also symmetric. Let's check that. So A transpose is equals to A and B transpose is equals to B because they are said to be symmetric. Now given C is equals to AB, C transpose is equals to AB whole transpose, right? Which is B transpose into A transpose. From the properties of transpose, we know that, which is B into A because B transpose is equals to B and A transpose is equals to A already given. So, but BA is not equals to AB, right? So it is not equals to C. Therefore, C transpose is not equals to C, right? Therefore, C transpose, since C transpose is not equals to C, therefore C is not symmetric, right? So option B is not true. Option B is not true, right? What about option C? It says if A and B are invertible, then C is equals to AB is also invertible, right? See, A and B are invertible. That means A inverse and B inverse both exist. Given C is equals to AB, let D is equals to B inverse into A inverse. We can, it is defined, right? Because A inverse and B inverse both exist. So let us define D to be B inverse into A inverse. So C into D is nothing but AB into B inverse into A inverse, which is nothing but I, right? Because this B into B inverse becomes I, and then A into A inverse becomes I. So ultimately it is I. So that means C into D is actually equals to I. Therefore, D is actually nothing but the inverse of C. That means B inverse into A inverse is the inverse of AB, right? So AB is invertible. So option C is also true, right? Option C is true. Very easy problem. Now, lastly, option D, if A and B are symmetric, then D is equals to A plus B is also symmetric. Let us check that. So A transpose is equals to A and B transpose is equals to B, right? So D is equals to A plus B. So D transpose is nothing but A plus B whole transpose, which is A transpose plus B transpose, which is equal to A plus B, right? Because A transpose and B transpose are respectively A and B, right? So A plus B, which is equal to D. Therefore, D transpose is equals to D. Therefore, D is symmetric, right? So yeah, option D is also true. So among these four options, only option B is not true. The rest, option A, C, and D are all true, right? So yeah, there you have it. Very easy problem, right? Or you only needed to know the properties of transpose and inverse. That's it. Very easy problem.